Hi, this is our project IGC. In this, we track the mouse to perform various gestures and operate the computer. This is the setup of our project. Consists of a Wii remote, a laptop. The Wii remote is connected to the laptop via Bluetooth, and this is a pen with two IR LEDs and two push buttons. One button will glow one LED, and the other button will result in glowing of two LEDs. Now we are going to demonstrate our project. We'll first launch the software. Now we are going to calibrate the pen with the Wii remote by clicking on 4 points. The calibration part is now over. So now we will start making gesture. First of all, we draw a W. So it will result in opening of Internet Explorer. So as you can see, the Internet Explorer is opened. Now we will make a plus sign, which will result in opening of a new tab. Now we will make a reversed L sign, which will result in opening of multiple viewed tabs. Now we can select any of the tabs, and we will now close the window by making a scratching gesture. So as you can see, the Internet Explorer has closed. Now we will try to launch the Windows Media Player by making a P gesture. The Windows Media Player has launched. Now again we will scratch it out to close it. Now we are going to view pictures by performing various gestures. So we can swap pictures by just moving our hand right or left. As you can see, these gestures are being performed very smoothly and effectively. Now we are going to perform a gesture to delete a file. We perform this gesture by making a cross. So as you can see, the file has been deleted. Now we are going to close this window by again scratching it. So the window has closed.
Thank you for watching this video. The idea has been inspired from Johnny Jungli
from Carnegie Mellon University.
Thank you.